Are you a content creator and you shoot your videos by using iPhone, and after shooting the videos it's very hectic to edit the videos? So in today's video I will tell you one interesting inbuilt application which is available on iPhone which can make your videos editing experience and combining videos experience very easy. So watch this video till the end to know the name of the application. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the name of the application is Clips app. To start with, open the Clips app on your iPhone. Now you can make videos and click photos from this application as well. But we will work on the old captured videos. So for this, tap on the phone's icon on the left, select photos. Now select any photos or videos you wish to combine. And now tap on the add button. Now to see the merged videos, tap on the play button. By tapping on the individual clip, you can also do the basic editing such as muting the clip, trimming, splitting, duplicate and many more things. And by tapping on the download button, you can easily share or save your video by using this application. You can also do many more things like add videos or photos to ongoing project by again tapping on the image icon. Another interesting thing is that you can also add pictures, add effects, emojis, or you can also add stickers on them. To do this, tap on any clip you want to add effects and now tap on the star icon. Now from here, you can add effects, text stickers and many more things. So this was all. In this way, you can edit or combine your videos by using Clips on application. So if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.